Hi, I'm Remy Palmagici. I am 35 years old.
Yes.
I am high school graduate. I have two kids, ages 11 and 13 years old. I worked before as a helper. I serve 5 family members with 2 kids, 1 elder, 1 couple. I'll do cleaning, laundering, cooking, and take care of children. I can do a song. Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Rami Gichi. I'm hoping to choose to go there in the Hong Kong. Honesty, worthy, and stop. I am hardworking, honesty, and I will do my best to. I will treat your family as my own to serve you. Thank you so much. Good day, sir.